In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the quiz decks. Like all the other quizzes and exam formats, you open a quiz deck and then you'll see different questions. With the quiz decks, the questions are kept simple, like flashcards. Each card or question focuses on only one specific topic. Then you fill in the answer and get credit for any answers you get right. All the answers are kept simple. They will typically be a term, from the glossary, an MPEP chapter or section, rule or law, a number, or yes/no. That way you're really focusing on that specific point like you would with flashcards. Here is an example of a quiz deck question. You are shown the question and then you can type in the answer. Then click on Submit. Whether you answer it right or wrong, you'll see the correct answer. In some instances, you'll also see the MPEP reference or supplement reference. Spend the time to look up any incorrect answers in the MPEP or the guidebooks, and that will only help solidify the material for you. We've sorted out the quiz decks into several decks. You can try any of these decks as many times as you'd like. The cards, or questions, will shuffle each time. You will notice that for each category we include the complete deck and a few smaller decks. Not everyone has the time to answer 70 or more questions in one sitting. By choosing a smaller deck, you can try all the questions without worrying about having to reset the deck before you're finished. That's it for this walkthrough. Be sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel while you're here. Then check out the tools and programs we offer on patenteducationseries.com. Pass the Patent Bar exam and get started on your career in patent law.